you an amazing sear. There's nothing better than that sound. A nice sear from your steaks. And Temp-tations is bringing it to us today in a 12-inch design. Now, it's a nice deep skillet, comes with the lid, with the vent, and we've sold over 28,000 of these here at QVC. It comes with the recipe cards, so you'll get nice ways to start using it when you get it home. And I have it for you in colors. So the one that you're seeing right over here, that's the one that we're calling confetti. Come on down over here, you'll see it in the red. And then I have it for you in green. There it is in black. Then we have it for you in gray, as well as blue. But this becomes that easy accessory that makes countertop cooking that much more delicious. I gotta tell you, the whole set smells so good, Lisa.
Amazing, right? And Alberti, just like all Temp-tations, this is an homage to our grandmothers, right? This is something that our grandmothers used. We just updated it with the beautiful design on the outside, the cook and look lid on the top, the non-stick interior. But I want you to think of this as an extension to your stovetop. So this now can replace maybe baking on top of the stove because you can cook right in here. It replaces your stove because you can literally do your cobbler in here, do your steaks in here, do your breakfast in here, and it replaces your microwave because you can warm in here. It has this great probe that detaches. So with these cool touch handles, it's now portable on the go to any room in your home. But think about it this way. It has a low, a medium, and a high. The low is about 200, the medium is about 300, the high is about 400, and very easy to change that. And how many meatballs do you have there, Alberti?
It's about 90 meatballs, which, by the way, I could eat probably every single one of them because they are so delicious. They smell amazing. But that's the thing, right? So if you are doing any type of entertaining, right, this becomes something that keeps all the foods hot. So if you are serving meatballs like that, you can do that. I love what we've done over here. Is this like a little chili? What is this in here? Ooh,
Yeah.
That's a lot of chili.
It's like a crock pot, right? This replaces so many pieces in your kitchen. And we're all cooking so casually nowadays that give this a try. At this amazing value, you're going to see all the steps that this replaces that you normally have to turn your whole oven on or really dirty your entire stovetop. Don't do it anymore. Try this out.
Yeah, I really love the fact that today we have it for you not only at this feature price, but also with the free shipping and handling, so there really is no risk. Of course, you still have 30 days to try it out. You even have 30 days free exchanges from QVC if you're thinking about, you know, getting a different color home. But here's what's going on. It comes with the recipes. We've sold over 28,000 of these here at QVC, and we have it for you in color choices. And you know what? We are getting limited in some of our choices, so you want to pick them up before they're all gone. There it is in the confetti. You do have floral lace as well as old world mixed into here, so that's a nice little feature. Here I have it for you in the red. That's my most popular today. Here it is in the green. There it is in the blue. Oh, black, the gray, and the red. Now, the gray is my most limited. So if you want that, now is your chance to pick it up. Ooh, these steaks. Lisa, they smell amazing. And I love the sear. You know, a steak needs a good sear, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And what I love about it, you just saw what I just did, that cook and look lid, I can now see what's going on without having to constantly, like if this was in the oven, opening my oven door. But naturally nonstick, even heating all around, just like your stoneware, and lightweight because this is enamel on steel. Alberti, I wish you were here because I know how much you would love this heaping bowl. I wish I could run it over to you, my friend, but
well,
do you want me to just taste it for you?
I was going to say, you can keep the bowl. I'll just keep the skillet with everything that's left in it. That's fine. I feel like
That's
that's
a
an
deal.
even exchange right there.
100%, 100%. Hey, and tis the season for this, right? Because the colder months are coming. We're all kind of hunkered down. So it's where we do our soups and our stews and our chilies and our mac and cheeses. So it's the perfect time of the year, too.
And I love the fact that, this becomes breakfast, lunch, dinner, entertainment. You will use these over and over and over again. And this is, I totally remember this when I was a kid. My mother having a skillet very similar to this and doing the entire breakfast in the skillet. So there you have the opportunity to do that as well. I'm just going to cover that up and let those eggs get all nice and cooked in there. But simple, easy. Let me ask you very quickly, Lisa, when it comes to cleanup, talk to me about that.
It's so easy. So first of all, the glass piece can go in the dishwasher on the top rack. I honestly hand wash mine because I keep this out on my counter. I use it that much now. Now the inside, because it's naturally nonstick, all you're going to do is take a wet cloth, wipe it out on the inside, wipe out the outside. You see how this cord detaches, which is really great if you have little ones at home. Great for cleanup and great for moving it from room to room.
All right, and I'm going to show you right over here, that cord that attaches to your temperature mechanism. So you have a low, a medium, high, and then off setting. So it's simple to operate, it's easy to use, but the food comes out absolutely delicious. And today you get it home for $9.99 on Easy Pay. We've shown everything from breakfast to lunch to a fancy dinner to large entertaining, even to desserts. You can do all of these items in your skillet and not have to worry about tying up the oven, not tying up the stovetop with any of the side dishes or even the main dishes, right? Those really big dishes. But 12 inches around, you've got a nice capacity for this one, and you have the ability to cook freely, the same way that you love cooking with all of your other Temp-tations vessels. Today is your day to pick it up. And today we have it for you, not only at that Easy Pay, but also with the free shipping and handling. And I've got 1,100 people on the lines picking it up. So now's your chance to place your order. All you have to do is make your decision. If you want that confetti is very popular. It always is. I know that it's the one that Tara collects, and I know that many people love collecting that as well. Here it is in the red. That's my most popular. There's the green. Here it is in the black. There it is in the gray, which is my most limited. I have fewer than 400 remaining there. And last but not least, there it is in your navy blue. All right, Lisa, it has been a pleasure hanging out with you throughout this In the Kitchen with David. I hope I get to see you very soon, but Happy New Year if I don't talk to you before then.
Happy New Year, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.